Hi everybody, this is Mary for Stampin' Camp with Mary and Mary's Stamping Happenings, and today is Simple Stamping Day, and we're going to be doing this cute little card, this note card. Let me bring it up so you can see it. And what we're going to be using to make this note card is we're going to be using Beautiful Moments stamp set. For ink, we are going to be using Memento Black, Crumb Cake. I've also got some in-color markers. I've got Lovely Lipstick, Rococo Rose, and Seaside spray. And what we're also going to need is, I am using for this one a very vanilla note card, an envelope. So we're just going to do that. And the first thing I want to do is, I just re-inked my crumb cake, so it's going to be a little juicy. So I'm going to have a piece of scrap paper that I can stamp off with. But the first thing I'm going to do is I want to put a mountain towards the background, because I don't want it to be not fully, it looked empty when I did it the first time without the mountain. So we're just going to put a little mountain in the background. Okay, and I'm going to stamp that off, just lightly stamp it off, because it's really, really juicy. And there, we've got the mountain on there. And then I'm going to put some what I call seagrass on the bottom. And this is all with the crumb cake. So, and one more. There. And so let's clean these off. Then I'm going to stamp the two little girls, okay? Because I love those two little girls. They're so cute. Remind you of you and your sister, or your cousin, or your best friend when you were small. And then I am just going to stamp them in the middle. Just like, oh, did not get the head of one. And I don't have my Stamparatus. So what I am going to do, well, I'm just going to leave it. I'm going to stamp the saying, thinking of you, with, I'm going to color it in with the lipstick, Lovely Lipstick. Go. And then I'm just, with the Rococo Rose and the Seaside spray, I'm just going to color their dresses in. You can, if you want, you could do this with blender pen. You can do it with watercolor. You can color in the whole girls, or you can, you know, just do the dress. I just like doing the dress, just to give it a little. There you have it, with the top of the head of one of them off. I'm going to find my basic black, and I'm going to marker, and I'm going to just do that head. I mean, it's there. It's just didn't come down. So, let's bring this down. For Simple Stamping Day, make sure you follow me on YouTube. Everything you need to purchase to make this card is down below. Remember, if you like my videos, to please purchase your Stampin' Up stuff so I can continue making my videos. Thanks for visiting. Bye-bye.